Your grandma and your great grandma never followed any skincare routine, but their skin was still fine. So, why is it that nowadays everybody expects you to follow a skincare routine? Is a skincare routine that important? Hi, I'm Dr. Rupa Raute and I'm a certified dermatologist with Cureskin. Yes, you do need a skincare routine nowadays because the level of stress, pollution, UV radiation that we have is much higher than the older times. Also, the food that we eat is less nutritious than what our ancestors used to have. That is why not nourishing and protecting your skin will lead to skin damage and conditions like acne, pigmentation, and also early signs of aging and whatnot. Remember that following a skincare is not just about good looks, but it is also about maintaining your skin health. This brings me to my next question. Do I have to follow a skincare routine every day? Yes, you do. Do you forget to brush your teeth every day? If you do not brush your teeth for a day or two, then bacteria will start accumulating in your teeth. In the same way, skipping your skincare routine even for a few days is not recommended. Skincare is not a miracle. Only if you follow it religiously, it will give you beautiful results. Now let's talk about the basic goals of a skincare routine. Now the first goal is cure. Now this is the part where you actively treat your skin conditions like acne, pigmentation, dull skin and scarring. Now I cannot stress this enough to only and only use a dermatologist prescribed routine. Now it is dangerous to use actives without a dermatologist guidance. Now care. Care is the part where you maintain your skin health and prevent it and protect it from any kind of further damage. Now at Cureskin, we examine your skin type, your age, your health conditions and also the environmental factors that you live in before we prescribe you a skincare plan. Now what is a good skincare routine? A good skincare routine is all about having an AM as well as PM routine. Now, mornings are all about protection. So gently cleanse your skin, apply a good moisturizer and then protect your skin from the sun by applying a good sunscreen. Now the night time is where all the repair happens. So it's very important to use a nighttime repair product and also a very good and heavy moisturizer. Now if you're still here, I'm positive that you will start your skincare routine soon. So at Cure Skin, there will be a free skin health analysis and then dermatologist will prescribe you a plan and according to that, a kit will be delivered to you. So what are you waiting for?